I get a lot of people saying that buying real estate at the beach is a bad investment. Really? Really? It's laughable that somebody even has that mentality. Here's why. When you buy real estate and put fixed rate debt against it, you're only putting up 30% of the value, which means you get to buy something for 30% and have the bank, someone else's money, pay for the bulk, 70% of the value of a property. That in itself is a good deal. Add to that, renters are going to pay the bank's money back. Not you, somebody else. That is a good deal. There are a couple things, though, that you absolutely have to look at. One, make sure that the rental income can cover the mortgage and the cost to own. Two, make sure you have fixed rate debt. You don't want a floater. You always want to know what the cost of your mortgage is. Inflation's going to drive the rent up. And as long as you have that fixed rate mortgage, it's going to create opportunity for cash flow in the future. That's a good thing. Also, because you locked in that rate, you hedged against a higher rate and locked in. If the rate does drop, and it likely will drop, especially compared to today, you can refi into a better rate. It's going to create even more cash flow for you in the future. Again, a good thing. Is there more? Yeah, there's more. Yes, that's why it's so laughable that real estate somebody would think is a bad investment. Here's the thing. The longer you own that property, the more time renters have to pay down your mortgage, right? Creating more equity for you. That inflation has to drive the value of your property up, creating even more equity, such that in 30 years or whatever time frame it is you decide to go sell it, you have this massively valuable asset that is throwing off cash that you can use to live. And you only put down 30%. So yeah, saying real estate at the beach is a horrible investment is just laughable. I've got some really good properties now that would meet all this criteria. If you're interested in growing your wealth over time, send me an email. I'll get them to you. Let's build up your wealth. It's what we do.